Today I am very happy. I have one big small. Oh my goodness, Zilliqa holder. I am very excited from today's result because this gone very fastly growing up. Congratulations, my brother. This time Zilliqa has gone positive. So this video is gone very excited and very happiness video. Oh my goodness, I can't control my smile. I can't control myself to please because they make us millionaire. They make you a millionaire. Congratulations, brother. So let's get started the live price prediction of Zilliqa. But before I get started this brand new video, my brother, this is very urgent video I make especially for Zilliqa holder. Before I get started this brand video, my brother, please subscribe this channel, complete my 3000 subscribe, and I do a giveaway of Zilliqa. I give away of 1000 coins, Zilliqa 1000 tokens. Okay, so please, the giveaway is coming soon, but just complete 3000 subscribe. I do a max special video for Zilliqa giveaway. Okay, so Zilliqa giveaway is coming soon. Please wait for it. And this time let's get started the live price prediction of Zilliqa. Brother, as you can see here, this is last 24-hour result, and the last 24-hour result as a crash, mind-blowing, outstanding, and very amazing result. You can see here, this is very good chance. This is very good chance, and those days I am very happy because when I see the 3 days result, then I am very angry for this result. Why they totally goes down. Every cryptocurrency just goes down. I am a 10 cryptocurrencies holder, guys, but all my five cryptocurrencies is totally goes down this time, but just 4 cryptocurrencies, Zilliqa is one of them. You can see here the latest change in the price is totally very good. You can see here the latest price has gone up like a rocket, and I hope they cross it half US dollar just in the middle of this month. And I think my expectation is good. They cross $1. Okay, what your expectation is, good or bad? Okay, from that, absolutely Zilliqa holder, share it in a comment box. Okay, so my brother, what your opinion? This is selling time or buying time? This is also very important because I have a plan to buy more. I buy 5000 more coins, more tokens of Zilliqa. What's your opinion? This is good time or bad time? Please, what I do this time? I think this is good time for buying. What your opinion? Please share it in the comment box. Then I decide to buy or sell. Okay, please. See you next time, friends. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest news and keep touch with us. Okay, keep touch. Just subscribe and press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz. Take care.